Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a vacation tips blog on Wix. Wix is one of the best website builders around as it allows you to create a website quite easily even as a complete beginner. So all you'll need to do is create your account on Wix, which you'll do by simply entering your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Create New Site. Once you have selected Create New Site, you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you're going to be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Setup Without AI, what I want you to do on the search bar here, you could type in blog or you can tap on blog right there. Then you'll tap on next. After selecting next, you can type in vacation tips blog. So let's do that real quick. So this will be our blog name and we're going to tap on next. After selecting next, what I want you to do, you can see the plugins that are automatically added to your website. So for example, the blog plugin is automatically added, which will allow us to write posts to drive traffic and share our ideas. We also have the chat plugin and the Instagram feed plugin. If there's any other plugins that you see right here that you would like to add, you can simply tap on it. So let's say, for example, you would like to display your portfolio. You could select the portfolio plugin. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. Now once on this page, I want you to tap on Begin with a Template. After selecting Begin with a Template, you'll be redirected to this page and you can see some different templates that you can use right here. So you can simply scroll down until you find one of your liking and you can tap on the one that you would like to use. So let's say I want to use this template. All I would need to do is once here, you could tap in the box and you could type in some information that you would like to add to your blog. Then tap on Generate Site Text and the Wix AI will compose content that you can use on your website. But for now, you could tap on the X to close the pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right-hand corner. After tapping on the plus 50%, at the moment, this is how our website looks, so you can see it right here. Now to start editing it, all you'll need to do is hover over the section that you would like to edit, then tap on Quick Edit in the top left hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column. From here, you can tap on any section that you would like to change, whether it be the paragraph, the title right here, or the image. You can tap on Change Image. It is quite easy to edit your Wix website. And you can do this with any section. So you can scroll down, you can edit this section also by tapping on Quick Edit once more. And again, you're going to see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column, which you can edit each section. And you can also do this with the header section by scrolling up, hovering over the section you want to edit, tap on Quick Edit. And again, you're going to see the pop-up window. From here, you can change the background. You can also add your social media links. Now to view all the pages on your website, you're going to tap on Home in the top left-hand corner. After tapping on Home, let's say we were to go onto the blog page, you could tap on Blog right here. After you have tapped on Blog, you're going to automatically be redirected to the blog page. So this is the blog page at the moment. You can scroll down and you can see them right here. Now to start adding content, you can simply hover over the section that says blog and tap on manage posts. But before doing that, there's something else I want to show you in this section. If there's anything at all that you would like to add to your website, let's say for example you wanted to add a video to a section on your website, you could simply tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says add elements. From here you'll see all of the elements that you can add on Wix. So you'll be able to add contact forms, music, videos, anything at all you want to add, you'll find it in this section, and you can simply drag and place it on your website. Now to start creating blogs, you can simply hover over posts. From here, you can tap on create new posts in the top right hand corner. After selecting create new post, you'll be able to create your first blog article. So you can type in the blog title right here. So you could tap right there, and for example, you could type in Jamaica vacation right here. Then you'll tap below that and you can start writing your content. Also, if we were to tap on the plus, from here you can see the different elements that you can add, whether it is an image, gallery, video, GIF, anything at all that you want. You'll be able to add it by simply tapping on the plus. You can add HTML code and so on. You can also change the font style and size by tapping from the menu option at the top, and by going over to the top left hand corner and tap on add, you are going to see the same elements features that I was showing you earlier. And you can also use the Wix SEO feature by tapping on SEO from the left hand menu option. From here you will be able to see your SEO grid. So you want to ensure that you have added an image or video to your post, and you also want to write meta description. So you can tap right where you see write meta description, and you could add in your meta description. You can also set up categories and tags by tapping right there. After doing that, you can tap on back in the top left hand corner. After tapping on back, we're going to be redirected to our dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you'll be able to view comments in the future by hovering over comments. You can also scroll down and you'll be able to view the analytics. So from here, you'll be able to see how many visitors you get per day and which article they are mostly reading and so on. You can also set up payment methods if you want in the future by hovering over billing and payments and selecting payments. From there, you can connect your PayPal account and other payment platforms. After doing this, I want you to tap on the X in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then tap on publish and your website will now be live, as Wix will provide you with a domain name that you can use. Keep in mind that it won't be a custom www domain name. Instead it will be a wix.com domain name. But if you would like to purchase a custom domain name, you can simply tap on upgrade now and you can do that. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.